Let's say we have to find the square root of this by long division method. So how do we do it? First you have to find the pairs. Okay. Now see, where is the decimal here? This is where the decimal is. So from the decimal to the left, you make pairs. This one is single and happy. So we let it be single and happy. Now take this. Which is the smallest square which is close to 2? Which is the smallest square which is close to 2? No, look at the squares. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and so on. So 1, right? So we write a 1 here and we write a 1 here. Okay? So you get a 1 here, subtract, and you get 1. Now, get this down. Okay? 0, 1.
Why one couple?
The entire pair comes down together. It's like a couple. We can't invite only one of them.
Okay.
Okay? Now you put a 1 here. Now this gets added, you get 2. Okay? Now what you have to do, you have to put a number here.
Why one? Oh, okay.
It just gets added, okay? You write 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and then add it up. Here, 2. Now here and here, you have to put a number such that when you multiply them, you get a number very close to 101. As close to it as possible. So look at it like this. Whatever I take, 2, 1, 2, 2, it is 20 something, right? And I know 25 is 100. Okay, then 21, 1 is 21, that doesn't make sense. 22, 2 will be 44. 3 will be something a little more. 4 perhaps is reasonable. 4 4 is 6, carry 1, 4 to the 8, 1, 96. That's quite close to this.
Yes.
And if I took the next number, there will be 25 more or 20 more than this, right? So that can't be very close to this. So we just put here 4. Then I'd write here also and I'd write here also. Okay? Then I write 96. Now 101 minus 96 is 5. Then I get 6 and 4 down. Got the idea? Once I have done that, then again, as usual.
Why do you write 4, 4, 1, 1, 2, 2 times?
What we do right now is understand the procedure. Later on we can figure out why it happens, how it happens. Okay? So right now the urgency is to know the thing quickly. So 24 plus 4 is 28. So right? 28, again it should be multiplied by something to get as close to this as possible. This is 280 already. If I put even 1, it's 281. If I double it, I'll get some 260, some 560 something, which will be more than this. Am I right? But let's try 2 and 2 and 2. Now 2 2s are 4. 2 8 is 16, 6 carry 1. 2 to the 4 1 5. See? Now when you subtract, you get 0. Now remember 2 2 here. 2. So answer is 140. Got the idea? So this is how you do finding. This is how you find square roots by long division method. Okay. Okay. The first thing we notice is that decimal is here, right?
Yeah.
To the left of decimals, we make pairs like this. So these two, then these two, then these two. First pair is 39. What is the closest square to 39?
6.
36. 6 6 are 36. So 6, 36. I subtract, I get 3. I have to write a 6 here also. Add 1 to shift it so that there's a place here. Then I get the next thing down. So I get this down 79. I got 379 and 1 2 something. There's something which will come here, right? In this space. So it'll be 120 something. And this will be 370 something. Now 12 3 are 36. So 120 3s are 360 something. So I think 3 seems to be a good number. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. I write 3 here too. Subtract 0 1 10. This will be 0. Next I take the next number down, which is 86, and I have to add this and shift. So 126 and something comes here, which is like 1200 roughly.
So it will be 08.
This I'm sorry?
Then 08, not 86.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. That's 08. That is 08. Okay, I think I can erase it easily. So let's put this, and this is 08. Now this comes to 126 dash. Even if I take 1, 1200 will be more than this, right?
So you have to bring
So I'll take 0. So I just take 0. So then I'll get 0, 0, 0, 0. And I get 1, 0, 0, 8. And if you add 0, whatever, and shift, you get 1, 2, 6, 0, shift. So this is 8. Now I get 64 down. Now this is like 1,08,64, and this will be about 12,000, right? Whatever I put. So 12,000 and 1 lakh. I think about 8 works. 8 works, I think. 8, 8. 8 is a 64, so 4 carries 6. 8 is a 48, 8 carry 4. 8 was 16 for 20. 0 carry 2. 8 was the 8 plus 2, 10. Kills perfectly. You have to put 8 here. 6, 3, 0, 8. So the procedure does not change at all no matter what it is.
So
Only
if
wherever
you-
there is 0, you should faithfully write the 0 here, carry down, continue.
So if there's a remainder,
If there is a remainder, that means it's not a perfect square, that's it. If it's a perfect square, there will be no remainder. Now let's take one more example. So let's find square root of 2 up to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places means I'll put 3 pairs of zeros. Okay. Now square closest to 2 is 1. 1, 1, you get 1 here, 1 is down. And here, and 2 and shift, right? So after that I get this here.
100.
Yeah. I mean I have to pair before the decimal like this, after the decimal to the right. So these two zeros come down, 100, and this will be 20 something, this will be 100. So 4 times will be nice because 5 times will become more than 100. So 5, and I've crossed the point. To borrow this, I've crossed the point should come here after 1.
Okay.
So I put 4 here, I get 96.
4.
4, and the next comes here, so 400. This becomes 28 shifted, right? So 28 into something is about 280, this is 400, so it has to be 1, because more than that will make it more than 400. So 281. So 9, and 8 and 8 is 0, and 3 into 109. And then I get this thing down, 109 and 2 zeros. This is 282 shift, right? So it's about 2,800, and this is 10,000. 2,800 is about 3,000. 3,000 3 times is about 9,000. So, sorry, this was 4. I don't know why 5 came here. This is 4. 3. I think 4 will come here. 4 for the 16, 6 carry 1. 4 to the 8, 1, 9. 4 to the 32, 2 carry 3. 4 to the 8, 3. 11. Have I made a mistake? I think I made a mistake somewhere. Let's check. 100, 96, 400, 281, 281, 9, 9 minus 8, 10 minus 1 is 9, and 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay? So now it's okay, yeah. So now 11 to 96 is less than this, so 414. And of course it can go on and on. So approximately root 2 is, you have to do as many decimal places as required, right? So I've got 3 decimal places, it can go on.
So
Right,
should you
stop
round
this.
it off?
If they say that up to 3 decimal places, you can do up to the 4th decimal places and round, place and round off if you want. Okay, you can do that.